Alright, what's good, y'all? It's your boy L254, man. We're back with another one. I guess we're gonna dive into what has to come off this box. It's not really a lot, man. A lot of stuff is already not there. So as far as any side moldings or anything, we don't have to worry about. No rocker panels. We don't have to worry about. Potentially this mirror. Probably might take it off. So yeah, this mirror. Door handle, maybe. Not really worried about the door handle. See this part here. I know this is part, it's like a 3-piece part that's supposed to go there from factory. I think I had an idea of what it looked like, or had one that might have worked, but now I'm not 100% sure. But I guess if I spray over it again, it won't be the end of the world. But yeah. More importantly, I guess we'll just be getting right here and right here. So we'll just make sure we tape out the window. Nothing up here has to come off trim-wise. There are some issues up here that are gonna have to get addressed. See, this is gonna take some body filler or glazing putty or whatever the hell is going on with that. Working our way to the back. Like I said, nothing there. Tape out the headlights, ain't nothing. Or tape out the side markers. Like I said, I might just end up taking this off. I mean, I was able to pull it off with the Tutor or with the Broham. So I might just tape it off, call it good. Same for this side. Like I said, all trim is gone, so no big deal. Trash bags over the wheels, no big deal. So, what else we got? Yeah, this body, this up here is going to need some, definitely gonna need some attention, just because all these little whatever. So we'll probably just come across it with glazing putty. Not glazing putty. Get the body filler, come across, make sure everything is on the up and up. Cause we got different textures and all kind of shit going on back here. So small hump we'll have to cross. Be a long way from paint, but these are motivation. Yeah, so just up on the roof, around there, things that need to be addressed. See this, on this side, it's missing that all together. So once again, tape that off. Make sure all that gets grounded down, primed over, painted. What else? This handle is already broken, so it's like it is what it is. I got new handles. They in the trunk of the Broham. Get some extra light in here. Like I said, no trim, nothing up there. Bumper fluid probably come off. I mean, you can paint it on the car. It's just that, or maybe I just take the headlight bezels out, and then the grill, the emblem, and then go from there. Yeah, like I said, pretty much as far as that, the only thing that's the only real hurdle that we was looking at. As far as paint removal, biggest obstacle we had already identified was gonna be the trunk, which we're probably gonna have to take down to the metal. Biggest problem spots. So that's definitely where we starting at. We were waiting on, let's see. Yeah, we were waiting on these, the sponge disc or whatever their actual name is. As far as strip disc, removes rust, strip paint, cleans wells. So we'll mount one of those up and see just exactly how well they work. I mean, I am curious to see what a 80 grit will do as well. Cause like I said, I don't know what happened. I just know that this is what it was doing when I got it. So this is thick. You're probably gonna need some eye protection, and then we'll start grinding and stripping this trunk. Cause it's March, baby. Marching forward. A whole lot of beginnings of body work gonna be happening this month. That's for certain. All right, so for the first step for the hood, the trunk, I got this paint remover. I already had this paint remover from something else, so this might as well get used. So I'm gonna spray it just all over the back, see what happens, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, definitely make sure you use it in a well ventilated area and all that good stuff. It says down to bare metal in 45 minutes, but I doubt with the situation that we got going on back here, it's gonna do anything like that. So we'll see. Luke, I am your father. All right, that should be spraying out. I don't know what they'll do, just spray that at first. You know what? A spot that I really want to get is up here, so At this point, this shit look, I don't know. I'm not expecting it to work, but if it does, this shit. Oh, this is gonna be fun. That's not gonna even cover everything. Alright, so that's all the deck cam. So 45 minutes, we'll be back. Alright. Alright, see what we got. Ooh, that looks nasty. That's nasty. So I already got me a little scraper. I haven't really started scraping, but some ash on the surface you can see. Like I said, this was a kind of a prime area. I mean, it ain't really get down like I thought it was, but you know what I'm saying, every little bit help, right? I guess we can take this stuff and just put it in the trash can. And back here on the trunk, I might get another can, man, and then actually wrap it in it and see what it do. As far as his claims to bare metal in 45 minutes, the lie detector test determined that was a lie, nigga. We didn't even get through the silver right there. A lot of these spots weren't even touched. Like right here. See, you can see where it's still like an actual. So, like I said, I mean, I wasn't expecting extravagant results or nothing like that anyway. I mean, in some places it does look like it just took it on down, at least to the silver. I don't know if that's the metal. But we already knew that we was not gonna attempt to strip all of this like this anyway. That's why we was waiting on some of the other parts. But since I had the can, I wanted to see what it was gonna do. I was trying to see what that be like. So like I said, that's down to the silver because you can still see. You see, like, that's the edge. Like, it's still, like, that's down the middle. Like, it ain't do with nothing what I thought it would. Or, I mean, don't get me wrong, I've seen other videos. But it also depends on like how much paint is on there and all of that stuff. So, yep. So if anything, I just made this shit a mess. It's all good though. Next video, we'll come back and start busting with the 80 grit and the strip disc. And we'll just see how efficient these can be. Till next time, it's your boy LSRA254. Remember, identify your weakness and make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.